Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Is at Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website which is education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get these questions? You need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. One more thing, all the questions are available in the form of video lectures, and these lectures are available on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay friends, coming back to the given question, what is given here? See, we need to find the variation constant and an equation of variation where y varies inversely as x and y equal to 0.9 when x equal to 0.3. So one information is given regarding the value of y when x equal to 0.3. Okay. So how we can find the equation and the variation constant? See, as it is given y is inversely proportional as x. See, if any quantity is directly proportional, suppose y is directly proportional to x, then we can write y is directly proportional to x like this. Okay, and if y is inversely proportional to x, we need to write y is proportional to 1 by x, and we call it inversely proportional to x. Okay, y is proportional to 1 by x, or you can say y is inversely proportional to x. Okay, so here it is given that y is inversely proportional to x, so we have written y is proportional to 1 by x. To convert this into an equation, to convert this proportional relation into an equation, we introduce a proportionality constant k, also known as variation constant. So y will be equal to k times 1 by x, or we can write y equal to k by x. Okay, now the relation is given that when x equal to 0.3, y will be equal to 0.9. So substituting the value of x and y in equation 1, we will get 0.9 equal to k by 0.3, and k can be calculated as 0.9 times 0.3. Therefore, k is equal to 0.27. Okay, so our variation constant is 0.27, and we need to find equation of variation also. So as from 1 we can substitute the value of k here. Okay, so substituting the value of k in equation 1, we will get the equation of variation as y equal to k by x, therefore y equal to 0.27 by x. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.